In this video, I will demonstrate one type of heel used in hand-knitted socks, the common or square heel. This is a video in my sock series. Be sure to check out my other sock knitting videos. I'll link to the playlist at the end. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified each time I go live or post a new video. If you'd like to play along to try this heel out, there's homework in advance linked in the description box below, and then the pattern for this heel is also linked in the description box. The common or square heel is one of the earliest forms of a sock heel. It's not commonly seen anymore because it doesn't really fit very well. It's a very rudimentary heel. For this sock heel, the heel flap is worked over an even number of stitches with absolutely no short row heel turn at the end. It's worked flat for a little bit longer than you typically see in modern sock heels because of the fact that there's no heel turn at the end. So it needs to accommodate the bottom of the heel. And then the stitches are divided in half and Kitchenered, grafted together right here at the bottom. And then stitches are picked up all along the heel flap, under the heel, and all along to the other side. And a typical gusset then is worked to decrease these stitches away. Now the gusset ends up being a little bit longer than a modern gusset as well because there are much more stitches picked up along this line. If we look in the inside, there is this ridge right from the picked up stitches, and this ridge goes all the way around the bottom of the heel and along the side of the heel. This is, not ideal because you've got this ridge right along the bottom of your heel. The heel itself is quite pointy, so there's excess fabric here because most people have heels that curve along this line. And so this is not quite anatomically correct, and there's excess fabric. So there's a variation on this heel that adds a little bit of shaping right at the bottom. So the rest is exactly the same. It's worked flat all the way down and then grafted. These few stitches are grafted together and stitches are picked up all the way around both sides, and a typical gusset is worked. But in this center back, for the last few rows, some decreases are placed right there on either side of the center line to bring that fabric in just a little bit and eliminate this pointy corner. This is called a shaped common or a manufacturer's heel, and it's called manufacturer's because it mimicked the sock heels that were in production at the time. If you'd like to give this heel a try, check out the homework and the heel pattern linked in the description box below. So those are the common or square and the shaped common or manufacturer's heels. Be sure to check out my other sock knitting videos. The playlist will be linked at the end. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.